Hi friends, in this problem we are given infinite squares, a square inside a square and then another square inside the second square likewise. Right, there is a square S1 side A and another square S2 joining the midpoints of S1 and it is going on and on. Right, now A1, A2, A3 are areas of the squares, P1, P2, P3 are perimeters. Then what is the value of P1 plus P2 plus P3 by A1 plus A2 plus A3? Right. Here, P1, P2, P3, right, perimeter, here we should worry about magnitude because the units are not same. Right. Units of perimeter is meters or centimeters, whereas units of area is meter square, centimeter square, inch square, whatever. So, so the units are not same. We are worried about the magnitude. Right. Now there are infinite squares like this. For example, there is a square and joining the midpoints there is another square and joining this midpoints there is another square likewise. Right. Now the original square the side is A. Right. If this is A then midpoints that means this part is A by 2, this part is another A by 2 and this is the hypotenuse. Right. So if A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, if this is another A by 2, what is this part? Under root A by 2 square plus A by 2 square. Right? Because this is hypotenuse, we are just using Pythagoras theorem, which is equal to 2a square by 4, which was like equal to a by root 2. Right? So this part is a by root 2. Right? If the total part is a, then this part is a by root 2. Right? So the perimeter of first square is 4a. Well, let's say if it is p, then the second square will be p by root 2. Right. Similarly, the third square will be p by root 2 by root 2, which is p by root 2 square. Right. Similarly, fourth square will be p by root 2 power 3. Likewise. Right. So each subsequent square is 1 by root 2 times the previous square, the perimeter. So we are saying the total perimeters, total perimeters p plus p means the first square, that is 4a, right? 4a, that is p plus p by root 2 plus p by root 2 square plus p by root 2 cube until infinite. That is this perimeter, right? We know infinite series, geometric series, where r is between -1 and 1. Then a by 1 minus r, right? What is a here? P by 1 minus r. What is r? 1 by root, right? P by 1 by root 2, that is this part. That is this part. Sum of all perimeters. Now, if you look at area, what is area? A by root 2 whole square, right? A square by 2. The first area of the biggest square is a square, and second is a square by 2. The third is a square by 4. Fourth is a square by 8. Like this. Every subsequent area is half times the area of the previous square. Right. So if you take the area of first square as a, the second square is half of a, third square is half of a by 2, which is a by 4, fourth square is a by 8. Likewise, if you take a as the area of the first square, which is small a square, let's denote it as capital A. Right. Now, what is this one? P by 1 minus root 2 that we have found. That is p by root 2 minus 1 into root 2, right? P by 1 minus root 2. If you simplify this, that is this part, right? Similarly, a plus a by 2 plus a by 4, whatever, this all will become a by 1 minus half, right? A by 1 minus half, which is 2a, right? So that is this part, that is 2a, right? So perimeter, the ratio of total perimeters to total areas is becoming p root 2 by root 2 minus 1 into 2a. Right. Now we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying root 2 plus 1 in numerator and denominator. Right. This entire expression, if you multiply with root 2 plus 1 in numerator and denominator, the numerator will become root 2p into root 2 plus 1. And root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, they will become 2 minus 1, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. So this will become 1 and this 2a will remain. So this simplifies to this. Right. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter is what we have said. Originally it is 4a, right? When a is the side. Right. Similarly, what is area? Area is a square. Let's replace p with 4a and a with a square. Right. If you simplify this, for example, a and this one will cancel. You can cancel like this, right? And 2 will go 2 times. So we are left with 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1, right? Or otherwise 2 into 2 plus root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 and root 2 into 1 is root 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. This is our final answer. Right, area of all perimeters, infinite squares perimeters to, sorry, the ratio of infinite perimeters and infinite areas, that is 2 into 2 plus root 2 by a. What is a? A is our initial side of the square. Hope you understood this. Thank you guys.